The weeks keep blowing off so fast. It really seems like it was yesterday I gave you guys entertainment recap. Wow. But let us get into this week's niceness. Young Mommy Diaries helping mothers to reset, renew, and reimagine a better life ahead. NWC produces not just water, but DJs as well. Cares the band to perform at Essence Festival of Culture in New Orleans. New music and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. First and foremost, let me wish all the mommies a happy belated Mother's Day, because without you, the world would be unbalanced. So guess what? Big up you. That being said, we had the opportunity to attend this lovely event called Mommy Mingle, dedicated to mothers, held by Tammy and Young, owner of Young Mommy Diaries. The event was amazingly fun and educational. Mothers let their hair down and spoke on different issues they face while they learn how to reset, renew, and reimagine a fulfilling life ahead. Here are the highlights.
Feels like I won 100 million. I found a good woman. I found a good woman. Like I won 100 million. I got a good woman.
Dr. Doodle who? Dr. Shaggy to you. It's indeed a great pleasure to report that our very own Orville Shaggy Burrell is among 9 candidates who will be given the honorary degree during the Browns University commencement and reunion weekend from May 27 to 29. Brown University is a private Ivy League research institution located in Rhode Island. This is a big deal, given the fact that they are honoring Shaggy in such a huge way at the end of the month. A big niceness this. The Grammy Award winning reggae and dancehall artist has been selected to receive an honorary Doctor of Fine Arts degree from the university. Shaggy, congrats are definitely in order from PBCJ, and guess what? Big up you, Mr. Bombastic. Amidst the seriousness of the National Water Commission strike, which left the island without water for 48 hours, as Jamaicans, we tend to find ways to make even our difficult situations entertaining. Just take a look at the bite to see what I'm talking about as a NWC staff member drops some lyrics.
Want we money? We want we money. NWC worker, them want their money. The minister say, you know, remember we? At 25 years old, them who always so we want we money, we say we want we money. Want we money, we say we want we money. Want we money? Want we money.
He was among more than 2,000 staff members across Jamaica, including some management personnel who went on strike on Tuesday morning to protest issues relating to the fact that they have been largely left out of the government's new compensation review for public sector workers. Happy to inform that we are good now and water is running like a stream from our pipes again. Guess what? We went to the opening of Hyundai's new showroom, and trust me when I say it was boom boom. It did bashy, it did nice, but don't just take it from me. Our girl Simi has the deets.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are officially open. A round of applause.
Hi Alicia, we're at the new Hyundai showroom on Oxford Road. Let's go inside and see how it looks.
Oh, I'm in a big mood. Call I feel you. Something wake up cool in my body. Tell me what you do. I'm in a big mood. Call I feel you. Something wake up cool in my
Magna Motors Hyundai took over the dealership here in Jamaica for the last 7 years, and we have been making great strides. So we have moved from 5 years ago, 7 years ago, we were outside of the top 10 as it relates to brand in Jamaica. And now, as of April 2022, we're number 3. So it's a big deal, and because it's a big deal, that's why we continue to make strides and taking over the market.
I'm in a big mood. Girl, I feel you. I know say I love cause passing money.
It's so funny that you say Hyundai because a lot of Jamaicans say Hyundai, but here we say Hyundai like Sunday. And what we're all about is that, guess what? Hyundai like Sunday, we're here to stay, we're here to dominate the market, and we're gonna take over. We started last year with our takeover campaign, and we're gonna finish it this year.
Boom, 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 boom. Such a great event. I really hope you guys enjoyed the highlights. I want to thank More to Adore for my wonderful dress and my accessories, and of course, Phoenix Artistry for my beautiful makeup.
Girl, I feel you.
Trinidadian soca star Kez, also known as Kez the Band, will be performing on the main stage at this year's Essence Festival of Culture in New Orleans on July 1st. This is the second appearance at the massive music festival and their first on the main stage at the Caesar Superdome. Kez said that after getting a taste of the Essence Fest experience virtually last year, they're excited to connect with the people live and direct this year and bring a bit of Caribbean and the islands of Trinidad and Tobago to New Orleans. Kez the Band will perform alongside Trinidad-born rapper Nicki Minaj, legendary Jamaican dancehall artist Beenie Man, Trinidadian soca star Machelle Montana, and American country singer Mickey Guyton on the festival night too. This week's new music, my favorite part of the show, features TJ with Different Species, Jamil with Story of My Life, Minister Tanisha featuring Pampute with God and Time, The Royce featuring Alex from TOK with NRG, and Nyla Blackman with Budum Budum. Take a look.
No worry, way. Cause got that cover way. Tell them no trouble way. Cause got that cover way. Make blessing flow my way. Me I beg you cover me. No worry way. Cause got that cover way. Well, who gotta put up them can't pull down. Who gotta wall up them can't wall down. Who got forward them can't stop. My God, now make me worry about that. Tell them God and time. We no fear evil or no bad mind. Up top full of episode lights, yeah, we make series. Them know we are different species. When I pray man for girl, me no business with them feelings. Them know we are different species. Different species. Call me alien brain, I'm me alias name. Me stay far from love because me here say that I'm pain. 42.6 million miles to go on Mars. And after that, me scared God's pain. People hear story of my life. Oh mama, I was only trying to make it right. Still they trying to break me. I know Jah won't fail me, no matter the times. Jah won't, yeah. When me a keep the peace, something me ridiculous. Put my faith in a Jah, ain't giving it up. Whole thing me woulda done, see me living it up. Know my life woulda changed because the beginning rough.
I just wanna rock you. Yeah, when you looking double up my bankroll. Jumping on my Jeep, buckle up, press go. On the boulevard, we have cruise control. With the top down, listening Bobby Brown. I wanna rock with you, baby. Let's go. Girl, you know you're sweet like a Julie Mango. Inside the man, pick your rhythm and flow. Reggae or disco, me a star of your show.
Don't take it slow. Coming real close. Collide. Don't make it hurt. Coming real close. Collide. That's all I wanna do. Body shaking, budum budum. Pulse racing, budum budum. Bumper drop like budum budum. Bust it down and spin it around and put on your tail like budum budum. Pulse racing, budum budum.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, this legend. Happy birthday to you. This week's birthday shout out goes to Jamaican reggae artist Sly Dunbar from the duo Sly and Robbie. He turns a whole of 70. That's big deal. Happy birthday to you and continue to do great work. And you know, it can't be a birthday celebration without me saying big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at PBCJamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy Collection for my earrings. Remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all social media platforms. If you have a story, a new music that you love us to carry, email us at asteel@pbcjamaica.org. Have a great weekend. Keep safe, spread love, and enjoy yourself. And guess what? Big up you!